Topic to be covered. In this lesson are the first one is what is electric charge. The second one is properties of electric charge. Third one is Coulomb's law. The fourth one is electric field. And fifth one is electric dipole. Sixth one is electric flux. And seventh one is Gauss law and its application. Let's start the first topic, electric charge. Let's start with the very basic. When I talk of electric charge or rather talk of charge, what can you think of? I am sure you are thinking of charging your mobile phone or charging a battery or maybe charging your laptop, things like that, because we use this term charge day to day activity and uses. So what is this charge actually? That is what we will study in this chapter. What the charge is, what are various properties of the charge. So before I begin, define electric charge and how do we measure it, what it can cause, or what are different effects arise due to electric charge. Let's quickly look at certain phenomena which happen generally around us and we all are aware of that. First up, we start with those slide example. Once I identify electric charge, once I tell you how an object gets charged, you can very easily relate those examples. So come, let's look at those examples. All of you would have observed when you have your friend birthday, you would like to decorate your home with balloons, different colors, right? You stick them to walls, different design with them, correct? Many times you would also observe that instead of using sellotape pins to wall or stick them to wall, you can also use things like this. You just drop to your hair and stick to the wall and there it goes. It sticks there, or you rub balloon on your shirt or piece of cloth for some time and then you take it to near wall. Have you observed that? I think it is very common phenomenon. All of us would have come across. Even you have not come across this, you can try it for yourself. It definitely works. Why do you think that it happens? If you rub a balloon on a piece of cloth for some time and then take it near the wall, it sticks the wall. So why does this happens? That because that balloon get electrical charge when you rubbed on it to a cloth, therefore it sticks wall and is really confused, right? When this charge came off, there is no battery, nothing around. So how did the balloon get the charge from? We will talk all such things as we go ahead. Similarly, you think of a comb. When you comb your hair, if your hair is very dry and you comb your hair and immediately take two small piece of paper, very small bits of paper that does not need, you will take a notebook under it. It means very small light piece of paper start getting attracted toward the comb. That phenomenon is also get because of that comb got electrical charge when you comb your hair. You rubbed with your hair and due to friction a static charge developed on your hair. or when a comb repeatedly move through your hair. These are certain example, very famous example of electric charge, and also very common example generally will come across today life. Thank you.